Takiyea.
Welcome to Urdu in 3 minutes. आज मैं आपको सोने का कमरा दिखाती हूँ. सोने का कमरा is a bedroom. क्या आप तैयार हैं? Are you guys ready? खुशामदीद. Welcome. ये सोने का कमरा है. This is a bedroom. ये बिस्तर है. बिस्तर is a bed. इस बिस्तर पर हरा कम्बल है. हरा is green and Kambal is, what is it? A blanket. That is right, a blanket. Kambal is a blanket. Hara is green. Green is Hara. And we also use another word for Hara, that is Sabz. Sabz or Hara. Both are used for green. Green. Green is Hara. यहाँ और क्या है? Oh, ये तकिया है. तकिया is a pillow. तकिया is a pillow. Takiya. Takiya is for one pillow. And if you want to say more than one pillow, you're going to say takiye. Takiye. Takiya is pillows. और क्या है? इस कमरे में एक खिड़की है. खिड़की is a window. And how do we say more than one window? If there are windows, how do we say that? Any guesses? Yes, good job. That is khirkiyan. Khirkiyan. One is a khirki, and if we have more than one window, we're gonna say khirkiyan or windows. इस सोने के कमरे में एक कालीन है. कालीन is a rug. कालीन is a rug. कितने बहुत सारे कालीन हैं. कितने प्यारे कालीन हैं. There's so many nice rugs. कितने अच्छे कालीन हैं. इस कमरे में एक घड़ी है. This room has a clock. Can you find it for me? Guess there. Look there. Yes, you guessed it. Shabash. घड़ी is a clock. घड़ी is a clock. Yay! इस कमरे में तस्वीरें भी हैं. What is तस्वीरें? तस्वीरें is pictures. See, there are pictures on the wall. Pictures or तस्वीरें. और इस कमरे में किताबें भी हैं. किताब is one book. किताबें is many books. Okay? शाबाश. Like और subscribe करना नहीं भूलना. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm going to sleep. मैं तो सोने जा रही हूँ. Oh, Allah Hafiz.